How to recover Outlook account password. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Start by heading over to your application Outlook. Tap on Add Account. Select the specific account that you want to recover the password of. Once you have selected, tap on Add Accounts. Wait for a while for it to load. It will land you on this page. Once your specific email address has been entered, tap on Next. Now you will have to enter the password. Well, if the password that you have entered is incorrect and you want to recover it, then click on Try Another Way right here. Tap on Not Now. Once again choose Try Another Way. Enter the phone number associated with your account. Once you have entered, click on Next. Now you will need to verify and check your phone, and then enter the code that is sent to your email. Once you have entered, click on Next. Now click on Update Password. Create a new password for your account, and for the confirmation, re-enter the password, and then tap on Save Password. That way, your Outlook account will be recovered and the password will also be changed. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.